Alright guys, so my hair is braided. I wanted to show you guys really quick. I did my braiding pattern a little bit differently. So see my top braids right here? I normally connect them to the big ones and go all the way back. This time I kept them separate and just made their own little one braid right here. That way, if I want to touch up my front, I only have to unbraid my front. I don't have to worry about it being connected to the back. Because oftentimes I still want to wear my crochet berries, but they get loose and I have to redo the whole thing. So this is actually my first time doing it that way. Not sure why. So of course I just want to oil my scalp. I think this is shea butter and coconut oil. I think, yeah. Might have a little olive in there and some peppermint. Of course, while I was braiding my hair, I made sure I had plenty of moisture in there as well. Alright, so here are the bundles. And I have these two and two more of these. And the other ones are actually bigger than this. So I have plenty of hair. And I even have some that I never used for the twist. These are all different lengths and everything. So as I pull them out, I'm going to figure out, where exactly I want each one to go. But you guys, oh yeah, and also I did not sew this up because my crochet braids always hang over that. I rarely wear them up. I never wear them up actually. And just doing this is just pointless for me. So just leaving them just like that. Starting here. You guys know how to crochet. And again, this is old hair that was in my twist. Watch the video that I did the cleaning it, because you do want to clean your hair. You don't want to just use old hair and just take it out and reuse it. You want to clean your hair.
Alright guys, so from here I am just crocheting my hair. Back, front, side to side. Later on you'll see where I put smaller pieces in the front and the larger pieces in the back. But right now I'm just doing your basic. Alright, so right here I'm showing you the larger pieces and the smaller pieces. I saved the smaller pieces to go in the front of my hair just to give it a little bit more of a natural fall and a different texture than the back. The smaller pieces, if you watch my other video, they're the pieces that were at the bottom of the twist. So again, I saved them for the front, and right there you can see the difference in the two pieces.
All right, so it's been about 2 weeks that I have been wearing this. You guys know I like when my hair gets old. So I'm definitely laying those edges down. And I just want to show you guys a finished look. And what I do with my crochet braids when I do them like this, I pretty much shape and mold until they get to where I like. So what I left you guys on was me just shaping and cutting and getting it together. Yes, I have my little line. But like I said, it's been about 2 weeks that I've been wearing this hair. And with that being said, see how a few pieces have kind of like stretched out to be hanging a little bit low? I can just snip those if I want. So there's the hair. And I have been wearing it mostly back. Just pinning up this side. And there you go. So again, this is how I have reused my twisted hair, the Afro Springy by Twisted Up. After washing it, see that video below, I installed it to get another kinky look. And I have no leave out, so all of my hair is braided up. Let me know how you like it. Let me know if you tried this hair. Let me know if you tried hair similar. Let me know if you've pre-washed and used your hair. A lot of people told me when I did the wash video that they have washed their hair and reused it. This is my first time doing it, so I'm excited that it worked out. It is not stinking. It is not smelling like old hair. It is working just as if I bought this. So this hair actually is sold open and ready to crochet like this, but I just did the twist first. Hope this helps, guys. Peace and blessings, thick and curly.